ಆದಷ್ಟು ಜಲ್ದಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ರಸ್ತೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಈ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೀವು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕರೆದು ಒಂದು ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಮೀಟಿಂಗನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಬಿಡಿಎದು ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar said all ongoing roadworks in Bengaluru would be completed before the monsoon. He said officials had been told to finish the works by the end of April to ensure the city was prepared for the rains. He said the government had released around 2,671 crore rupees over the past 3 months for road projects. About 80% of the works had already been tendered, he added. Most of the projects had begun. He mentioned that a total of nearly 5,065 crore rupees had so far been released for black topping and white topping works. He noted that last year alone, 694 crore rupees was sanctioned for 389 km of black topping and 1,700 crore rupees for white topping. Shivakumar said officials had been directed to post daily updates with videos to ensure accountability. He added that they had been told not to wait for MLAs or ministers to inaugurate roads. Once completed, the roads should be opened immediately to the public, he said. Bengaluru's road condition had drawn national attention after several stretches collapsed within a short period. Industrial leaders had publicly criticized the government over alleged mismanagement. Both Shivakumar and Chief Minister Siddaramaiah had set multiple deadlines last year to fix potholes. Those deadlines were missed. However, the government has recently stepped up efforts to repair key roads.